Investment strategy is usually a series of trade-offs. You might find financial safety, but only at a high premium. You might find a bargain price, but it often comes with high debt. Or you find market momentum in a stock that lacks a fundamental floor. Finding a company that captures all three attributes requires looking into sectors that the broader market often overlooks. Nilkamal Ltd is a major player in furniture manufacturing and industrial material handling solutions, currently trading near 2,043 rupees, making it a stock that occupies a specific intersection of data that warrants closer inspection. To test if the company is actually a rare outlier, we can run it through a DVM framework. This stress test measures three core pillars: durability, valuation, and momentum. Nilkamal is currently meeting 65.2% of the criteria on this checklist, a score that indicates strengths across all three categories. Meeting these distinct financial requirements significantly alters the risk-reward profile, making the company a high-priority target for factor-based investors. The first pillar is durability. This measures long-term financial resilience and the stability of a company's cash flows. Nilkamal's financial strength registers at 90 out of 100, driven by top-line growth. Annual operating revenue reached 3,792, a 14.1% increase. Crucially, a large equity position outweighs a tiny pebble of debt, a ratio of just 0.1. The company also earns a high Piotrowski score, indicating that its accounting health and profitability metrics have remained robust during this expansion. Compared to its industry peers, Nilkamal's durability is exceptional. While Supreme Industries scores a 65 and Astral a 75, Nilkamal maintains a commanding lead at 90. This level of financial health provides a buffer against sector-wide economic shocks, protecting the investment's downside. Even a resilient business is a poor investment if the entry price is too high. We have to determine if the shares are currently priced fairly. On the valuation scale, Nilkamal scores 53 out of 100, falling in the affordable zone. Its price-to-earnings ratio stands at 24.5. In stark contrast, industry outliers like Shaily Engineering Plastics trade at a much higher 87.1. This moderate valuation indicates that the market has not yet priced in the full durability of the business, leaving room for potential growth. The final pillar is momentum. This tracks immediate buying pressure and the current trajectory of the stock price. Nilkamal scores 70 out of 100 here, indicating a bullish technical environment. The stock is currently trading above all 8 of its simple moving averages, with buyers stepping in to defend the price at every recent level. Short-term upward velocity is also strong, as the price stays above all 8 of its exponential moving averages. Both the RSI and MACD oscillators are actively flashing bullish signals, confirming that the current trend is supported by volume. Strong momentum paired with a moderate valuation points to a stock that is actively breaking out, as opposed to a stagnant value play. However, every investment has risks. There are specific internal metrics that require close attention. The company's recent negative net cash flow is a signal that investors should monitor over the coming quarters to ensure operational health remains stable. There is also a contradiction in the market's view. While the consensus recommendation from analysts is a buy, their average target price is just 1,753 rupees, which is 14.2% below where the stock trades today. This gap often occurs when a stock moves faster than the analysts can update their models. In a strong breakout, price targets frequently lag behind real-time market action. Corporate insiders provide a different signal. The company's promoters have maintained a dominant 64.5% stake, showing no signs of exiting their positions. In fact, there have been no recorded insider sales in the past 3 months, suggesting internal confidence remains high. Analyst targets are often a lagging indicator. By using a DVM framework, investors can identify stocks like Nilkamal, where strong fundamentals and market momentum are already working in tandem.